Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I will put into 7 of the square root of x and minus number 2 with the square root of x. Next, we can do about factorization by the square root of x. Now we can do another factorization by number 7. Next, we need to do factorization by the square root of x minus 2. Next, we simplify this one on numerator and denominator. And now we just put number 4 gone here. And we have number 2 plus 7. And we have number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.